I said not dice pineapples in a goddamn can. Oodles of noodles in a goddamn pan. Shorty's on the floor, dope 60 did her last bag. Homie keep pushing it straight. He took his last drag. Candles lit everywhere cause there's no electric. Dope boy on the couch with his gun getting wetted. Water turned off so the toilet's full of waste. Death's in the air, you can tell by the taste. Everybody knows this place, drugs is a hot commodity. We all have one thing in common and it's called poverty. Robbery, assault, murder, prostitution, pollution. Half the hood is held in institutions. Better health care, well if it ain't the solution. Stop the execution, find a resolution. You know these one person in your circle that is using. Every 45 seconds the cops is cruising. Babies producing babies, youngins wanna fucking wreck. They'll break your neck in the sec, they ain't cutting no fucking checks. No disrespect, I don't spit lies. Disguise, I used to get high, so much coke that I would shit eyes. Get wise, put the best resort of violence, squash the beef. Percocet, liquor and weed, that's how I wash the grief, watch the streets. Cause it's in the arena, you got snakes, rats, cats, dogs, lions and hyenas. Extortion, kidnappings, warrants and subpoenas. Felony misdemeanor, Diesel and Christina. I'm hotter than Farina. Tell me, have you seen them? My niggas to shoot you leans, you females to be a screamer. You fucking monkey, jackass donkey, flunky. You will never rap this junkie. Judge slam dunk me cause I thought that I was ballin'. My peeps said I'm an artist, my niggas said I was drawing. 8-ball, bundle of dope mixed to alcohol and abusing drugs, not Alicia Keys, but I was falling. To the shit I was ballin' while I was crawling. I'm a spitter, these microphones I'm mauling. I'm not a quitter or bitter, this is my calling. People really thought I was littering, so appalling. But they didn't know that I was withdrawing. Language of a loser was the lyrics I was scrawling. On the run from my PO cases I was brawling. You should have seen the weight on my shoulders that I was hauling.